welcome to another Wheelie Fun Pops. My name's Amy and the voice from the beyond is Peter. Welcome back to all of our wonderful subscribers. Hello! And welcome to anyone new. Stick it out till the end of the video. Check out what we do and hopefully by the end you will want to subscribe. It only takes a second, but it means stuff and things. And it would be really nice to hit 100 subscribers, you know, one day.
YouTube numbers.
YouTube numbers. I don't get it. Anyway, today we have a very exciting box. I apologise first of all to the creators of this box that it has been so long since we've received it and it's taken this long for us to do it. But I'm referring to the Popstarz. There's the thing. Right, Popstarz, yes, we grabbed a few, or one or two, or possibly more of the hit or miss, I believe they were £25 from a little while back. I'm seeing more than two, so I may have got three, possibly. I don't remember, it was so long ago. Right, pass me boxes. Right, we have one. We have two, and we have three. With awesome tape. I love the tape. It's so cool. Makes it feel special. Anyway, yes, so 3 boxes. I'm pretty sure that all the major hits have actually been pulled. So, but anyway, Peter, do me a favour and please release the contents of the box, because I can't do it. I'm rubbish at opening things. Nobody wants to sit around watching that. Yeah, the hits. I mean, there were some great hits in this run. I believe there was Scareglow, possibly Ghost Rider, Loch Ness Monster, Medusa, all of which have been found. So I don't know what on earth I'm in store for, to be honest. It's a nice surprise. Whatever it is, it'll be a nice surprise. Okay.
I think I saw Sweeties.
Oh, did you see Sweeties? Have we got the Sweeties? Yay! That's always a nice bonus. Okay, we have a nice, this protector feels nice. Ooh, that feels like a really sturdy protector. Isn't that a weird thing to get excited about? Ooh, protector. Right, facing you, facing me.
That's the right way round.
There we go. And, oh, this is cool. Oh, wow. This is a really good protector, actually. Oh, it's a Geek Garage protector. Very nice. Very solid in the... Feel how solid that is on the corners.
Yeah,
that is
like the Funko Junko ones.
They're really good. Well, this is the unicorn, one of the trash can unicorns from Onward, which is an awesome film, and I need to watch it again. The first time I watched it, I wasn't feeling too great, and I don't think I took it in as much as I would have liked. So I'd like to get a quiet moment and some hot chocolate. A quiet moment. That's never going to happen. Anyway, I would love to get a quiet moment and some hot chocolate and put my feet up and just watch it by myself. Maybe one day. But in the meantime, we have this awesome pop, which is very, very cool. And my daughter is going to go bananas when she sees it, because she loves unicorns, even trash unicorns. So there you go.
Is that unicorn the standard or a chase?
It is the Hot Topic exclusive.
Okay.
Oh, Sweeties! Sweeties! Were there other Sweeties? Did other Sweeties come out? Or was it this?
I heard it bouncing.
There we go. Well, we have Crackle Raspberry Flavoured Chew.
Oh, you won't like that.
I like raspberry. Right, next. Here we go. Exciting stuff. La-di-da. Ooh, another one of those cool protectors. I mean, that in itself, they've got, the protectors are what? How much each? £2? £2?
£2.
Okay, here we go. Facing you, facing me.
Yeah, that's fine.
Here we go. Oh no! Oh my gosh! And of course, this is the beautiful, the stunning, the amazing Shiva from The Walking Dead, of which we have now got 4. We now have 4. It's fantastic pop. You have heard me say at least 3 times previously. Fantastic pop. Terrible, terrible, ridiculously bad death. Yeah, fantastic pop. It's a great pop. It's a brilliant pop. I love it. I love it so much. We have 4. So yes, we're not keeping them. Just one for our collection. We don't actually need 4. But this is a brilliant pop, and if I'm not wrong, the value on it is fantastic. So that's a good hit. Okay, Peter, do we have the last box? Okay. Right, here we go. Oh dear. Oh. What? What? There are 2 pops in this box.
Okay. Look down.
Huh?
Look down. There's a note.
There is a note. Sorry you missed. Hang on. Sorry you missed, but I'm your freebie.
Okay.
Sorry you missed, but I'm your freebie. Ooh. Intriguing. So that's the freebie, and I'm guessing that this is the miss. Here we go. You know what we opened up the other day and said, oh, we love this pop. Yay, we finally got one. Guess what, we got one. Guess what we got?
We got another one.
We got another one of The Child with Cup, which is an awesome pop. Absolutely love The Child. I don't care how over retailed it is. The Mandalorian is fantastic. The Mandalorian is fantastic. The Child is fantastic. They have managed to capture the feel, the essence, if you will, of the original Star Wars films, at least in my honest opinion. I'm sure there are people yelling at me right now saying what a load of tosh, but that's how I feel. When I watched The Mandalorian, I felt like I was just transported right back to when I first watched, you know, the first 3 Star Wars movies, and I was very happy. So yes, there you go. Another one of The Child, which is awesome, and I have no complaints about. And I'm sure that somebody somewhere is going to be very, very happy to receive that in a mystery box from us. So here we go. So our lovely little note. And what is this? Okay, the freebie does not come in a protector.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. We have a Blue Ranger. Blue Ranger who has taken a little bit of a beating. Yeah, a little bit dinged at the back, a little bit bowed in there. Don't know if you can see. But on the whole, he's a cute little Power Ranger. So, yeah. We don't collect the Power Rangers, but I do have fond memories of watching Power Rangers with my little nephews when I used to look after them sometimes. It was really cool. Anyway, so there we go. So can you talk me through the values that we have here? We have the Onward Trash Can Unicorn.
The unicorn is worth £16.
£16. Okay, we have Shiva.
Shiva is currently trending at £41.
£41. That is a hit, a most definite hit. Okay, we have The Child with Cup.
Currently trending at £13.
£13. And we have Blue Ranger.
Currently trending at £9.
£9. Okay, with a little bit of damage, so
7.
yeah, probably about £7. Altogether, we have
£77.
and I spent £25 a box, so
We've got our money's,
we got our money's worth. We got our money's worth. Can't complain at that. And yeah, some very cool pops. I am especially pleased with this one because it's just cool.
It could go in our myths collection.
Well,
it is a unicorn. It's
a
myth.
myth. It is a unicorn. It is a myth. It's not officially a myth. Not this one. But it's very cool and I like it. And do not forget, with each one of these we got a really cool, very strong protector.
Yeah.
And they have a value all of their own. So I'm going to say, same as Danny and Jazz.
£1 each.
An extra £1 each.
Which puts us at 80.
That puts us at 80. So we are actually in the
profit. Potential profit.
Potential. I don't really care. Anyway, I'm really pleased with that lot. Thank you so much, Popstars. We will definitely be buying from you again. If you have enjoyed this rambling, meandering content, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. It only takes a second and it really means an awful lot to people who, you know, ramble on YouTube. So do it. Takes a second. Anyway, yes, I've been Amy, he's been Peter, and we've been Wheelie Fun Pops. Bye for now.